of when Nuh alayhi salam is on the boat with just a handful of believers that he got to believe in him and get on this boat with him, and it describes the waves as big as mountains. And they're in this boat and they're being thrown around everywhere, and he says to his son, come join us on the boat. And his son responds with what I think so many of us would have perhaps said in that moment, which is, no, that boat looks so scary, insecure, unreliable. In this huge storm with waves as big as mountains, I'm gonna go over there and find my safety on the mountain. And so you see this choice between the seductive stability of the mountain and then this boat in the middle of a stormy sea. And his father is calling to him. And as soon as he says that, a wave comes and washes him into the water. And that mountain is our attempt at control. And that boat is what it looks like to trust in God. That boat is the boat of tawakkul. And that mountain is the seductive allure, the siren call of control. Because it looks so stable, it looks so immovable, it looks so reliable if I can just control the situation. And this is on so many levels, on a personal level, on a community level, and even on a national level. Now, on this boat, I want to make this clear. It's not always comfortable. You know, these folks, these believers, this handful of people that were with Nuh on this boat, and my husband just pointed this out, how did they feel when they first got on that boat in the first few minutes? Maybe they looked at that mountain and wondered, hey, you know, maybe that was a better choice. We're being thrown around by waves in this boat. It feels uncomfortable. It's not a cruise ship. It's not a spa vacation when we're trusting in God in the middle of that storm. It can be really scary.